Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dwebin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to download an older build of the Lineage OS ROM for downgrading purpose. So as you might be aware, when it comes to downgrading the Lineage OS ROM, all you have to do is get hold of an older build of the Lineage OS ROM, and apart from that, download the partition file, flash all the partition file in the fastboot mode, then reboot your phone to the Lineage OS recovery, do a factory reset, then sideload the ROM zip file, and your phone will then boot to the downgraded OS. So the major task is that you have to download an old build of the Lineage OS ROM. So regarding this, the major issue is that the official Lineage OS website only has the last 4 and 5 build. So for instance, let's suppose you are currently on Lineage OS 21 based on Android 14 and you want Lineage OS 20 based on Android 13. So if your phone has just received the Lineage OS 21 build and it's on the first Lineage OS 21 build, then the first build will be of Lineage OS 21, whereas the rest all the other build will be on the Lineage OS 20, because this is the first build for the Lineage OS 21 for your phone. But on the other hand, if your phone has already received Lineage OS 21 around 6-7 months back, then in that case the download page will only have the Lineage OS 21. There will be no Lineage OS 20 build over here, because your phone has already received up to around 5-6 builds of the Lineage OS 21. So the older Lineage OS 20 builds are removed from here. So in that case, how you could download the build, where there exists a nifty workaround using which you could get this job done. So for that, we'll be taking the help of the Wayback Machine. For the unaware, the Wayback Machine is a website that archives all the website that has existed till date. It is doing so since 1996, and up until now it has close to 860 billion web pages, which is quite a lot, as you might be aware. And there is every chance that the Lineage OS download for our phone should also be there in the Wayback Machine. So in this video, I'll show you how to get hold of an older build of the Lineage OS file using this Wayback Machine. So first and foremost, go to the downloads page of Lineage OS, and from here choose your phone. So in my case, I'm using the OnePlus 9 Pro, and the latest one, all the ones are from the Lineage OS 21, and I'm looking for the Lineage OS 20 based on Android 13. So as you could see, it's not there. Just go to your phone and then copy this entire URL. As you could see in the URL, the only change will be your phone code name. In my case, it's the OnePlus 9 Pro, so I have the Lemonade P, and in your case, the code name will be different, but the entire URL format will be the same. So copy the URL from here. Once you have done the copy, now you have to go to the Wayback Machine website. So go there, and it will take a few seconds to load. So let's just wait for a site to load. And once that happens, we will then proceed ahead. Since it has quite a lot of web pages, it might take a couple of additional seconds. Now you have to simply paste the URL here of the Lineage OS downloads page for your phone and hit enter. It will take a few seconds, and as you could see, we have now got the snapshots for the web pages. So as of now, it's on the 2024, but it's quite obvious that in this year, the Lineage OS 20 was not released. It was released last year. So we will have to go to last year, and from here you will now have to play the game of hit and trial. We are not really sure about which date the ROM file could be found. So as you could see, we only have 3 options. In the month of March, we have a file. In the month of April, we have a couple of snapshots, and in the month of October, we have a snapshot. So I guess by the month of October might be quite late. Let's go with the April build. In April, first off, let me go with the 22nd April. And if I open this snapshot, you might face a few issues, and sometimes you might not find the web page. That is not a cause of concern. Simply go to any other site. So as you could see, I went over to the 22nd April snapshot, and with this, I am now inside the Lineage OS 20 downloads page. So you may now download the ROM file from here. Just hit the download button, and you might get a few error messages in some cases. So in that case, you will have to have a look at any other snapshot. If you get this error message, it's completely normal. You will now be directed to this website, and the download will now start automatically. This is not an error, it's just a redirection. So wait for a few seconds, and the ROM file should now start downloading. Let me show you that as well. Again, I am repeating, this is not an error message. So wait for a few seconds, and then we will verify if the download gets successful or not. It might take a couple of seconds, and as you could see, the downloading for the Lineage OS 20 has started, and the file is now being downloaded. The speed and time might vary, that's quite normal, and we are now getting the file, and you may now do a downgrade. You may simply download the zip file, and apart from the zip file, as you could see, it has a few IMG files as well. Get hold of the IMG files and then flash the files in the fast boot mode. Then reboot your phone to the recovery, and then do a format data, and then do the ADB sideload of the ROM zip file. So in a similar manner, you may get hold of the file from here. If a snapshot is not working or is not loading, you may also have a look at any other snapshot and then verify that as well. So for instance, this is for the 19th of April. Let me have a look there as well. And this page should also have Lineage OS 20, as you could see. So in a similar manner, you may then carry out the required tasks and get hold of the older build of Lineage OS without any issue as such. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.